Welcome back to OneMonroe. This week, we're taking a look at grommets, a small component that solves big problems. Grommets are reinforced rings that protect materials from wear, sharp edges, and damage. They're commonly used to guide cables, reinforce holes, and extend the life of components. By reducing friction and preventing abrasion, grommets help protect both the material and what passes through it. Grommets come in a variety of materials, including rubber, plastic, and metal, depending on the application. Grommets are widely used across electrical, automotive, aerospace, and industrial manufacturing applications. OneMonroe offers a wide range of grommets designed to perform across many applications. For help finding the right grommet for your application, reach out to OneMonroe today.